Whoa! This room is moving. Rooms aren't supposed to move.
Kid, if you want to be a spunk, you've got to adapt to your environment. You know, if you hadn't eaten all that edamame...
Just get me out of here!
Going somewhere? Fortune cookie?
So that's what you meant about blowing your cover. Hey, Snake, why didn't you pass out from the smell? Ah, you smell with your tongue, right?
Ow!
Let's go home, my little partner in crime. Sorry, I couldn't stop myself.
Continue! Double time!
Oh no! I'm so sorry. How embarrassing. I really didn't mean it. You dirty rat! Whoa! Oh no! Oh! Let me go! I'm gonna skunk!
Oh, relax. I'm not going to kiss you. Take a break to cool off. We're trapped.
Baboon. He set us up.
Oh, man! Now what are we gonna do? There's no way we can get out of here.
Actually, there is one way out.
What way? What?
Hey, good idea, Rabbit.
Oh, no! No way! I can't skunk on demand!
You have to, Skunk. At least try.
I can't. It only happens when I'm embarrassed.
Is that so?
No!
Let's get out of here! Phew! Oh, sweet air.
Thanks, Skunk. You saved us.
Yeah.
Wise heaven, I beg your help. Dragon has turned to evil. Show me how to restore balance. Huh? What's this? A baby panda? That's no panda!
A winner by default. Skunk.
Nice work with the whoopee cushion, Skunk.
What whoopee cushion? This is so stupid! We're supposed to be partners? I didn't sign up to be your slave. I mean, who ever heard of a rabbit who doesn't dig his own tunnels? This is totally, absolutely...
Rule 12, no lip. And no skunking up my tunnel. That's Rule 5.
Oh, that's it! Get out before the water fills all the way up!
Yep, nice job, boss.
Hey, it's your tunnel.
And I had it under control until you took over. What? No snappy comeback? Don't have anything to shut me... Well, that's great. Our sneak attack went bust. We almost drowned. My warren is a wreck.
Besides, you're the new skunk on the block. Let me give you the inside dope. Ah! Oh. Uh-oh. Sorry. I forgot! Beep. You're a skunk. Hey. Oh, I see. You don't worry about it. The skunk skunks. It's natural. Good morning, Rabbit.
Morning, Skunk.
Ah! Horrible, scary. No, I'm gonna skunk. Oh, no. Ah, phew. Hey, what gives? Let me go.
Stop squirming. Morning, Skunk.
Oh, come on.
I don't know what's gotten into you, but stop acting like a crude macho.
Hey!
No, I didn't mean it. You surprised me. I'm so sorry.
Stink team, go!
Huh?
Stink team, go! Stink team!